Hello guys, I'm here. I will tell you about story a rich woman who falls in love with a simple vendor, not knowing that the man is actually investigation her family. The street food vendor was not who I thought he was. I thought he was just a poor street vendor until I found out the truth. Every morning before going to work, I stop by the same small street food cart near the train station. The vendor is a quiet man. Name is Daniel. He always wears a black hoodie, keeps his head down and doesn't say much, but somehow he remembers every little detail about me. No onions, extra sauce, he says before I even order. At first, I thought he was just being friendly, but after a while, I start to notice stranger things. Daniel didn't act like a typical street vendor. His hands were too clean. His English sounded too formal, and sometimes expensive black cars would stop near the station just to watch him. One rainy night, I was working late at work and missed the last train home. As I stood alone in the empty station, three drunk men suddenly surrounded me. "Where are you going alone, honey?" one of them laughed. I froze. Before I could scream, someone grabbed the man's arm and knocked him to the ground. It was Daniel, but he was no longer the quiet street food vendor. His voice was cold, sharp, dangerous. "Go now!" The man ran away. I stared at him in shock. Who was this man? The next day, Daniel's food car was gone. No goodbye, nothing. For weeks, I searched everywhere for him. Then one night, my father invited some business associates to our house for dinner. That's when I saw him again, but this time he was wearing an expensive suit. Every in the room stood when he entered. My father smiled nervously. "Emily," he whispered, "that man is Daniel Hart, CEO of Hart Corporation." My heart skipped a beat. Daniel stared at me silently for a few seconds before smiling faintly. "I'm sorry I lied to you," he said. "I didn't understand anything. Why would a billionaire pretend to sell street food?" Then he told me the truth. Years ago, his father company collapsed due to corruption. The people responsible were connected to powerful businessmen, including my father. Daniel had been investigating my family all this time. That food car near the station was no coincidence. He was watching us, watching me. I feel nauseous. So everything that happened between us was fake. I asked quickly. Daniel lowered his head. At first, yes. The room feels silent. But then I meet you. For the first time, I saw sadness in his eye. You should have never meant anything to me.